How do unclear water rights impact property owners? Imagine waking up one morning and finding out you might not have full control over the water on your land. Water rights are a key part of owning property, especially in farming or rural areas. When these rights are not clearly defined, it can cause big problems for property owners. Water rights decide who can use water, how much they can use, and for what purpose. If these rights are vague or disputed, property owners face a lot of uncertainty. This can make it hard to plan land use or investment. For example, if you want to build a pond or irrigate crops, you need to know you have the legal right to use that water. Without clear rights, you might spend money on improvements only to find out you do not have the legal permission to use the water. This can lead to legal fights with neighbors or government agencies. These disputes can be long, costly, and stressful. When water rights are unclear, property values can drop because buyers worry about future access. If it is uncertain whether you can use water for farming or building, the land becomes less attractive. This can make it harder to sell or get loans against the property. Landowners also face restrictions on how they can develop their land. Without clear water rights, they might not be allowed to dig wells, build ponds, or irrigate fields without special permits. Sometimes, water that flows on or under the land may be considered owned by the state or other parties. This means the landowner could lose control of water they thought was theirs. For example, in Texas, the rule of capture allows landowners to pump groundwater, but surface water and underground streams might be regulated by the state. This creates a complex legal environment that requires understanding the differences between groundwater and surface water. To protect their interests, property owners should get clear documentation of water rights when buying land. They should also learn local and state water laws to stay compliant. Managing water wisely and conserving resources can help maximize land value. When water rights are uncertain, seeking legal advice is a smart move to avoid costly disputes. From a conservative point of view, protecting property rights, including water rights, is essential for economic freedom. Clear rights help owners manage their land responsibly and confidently. They reduce government interference and promote responsible land stewardship. When water rights are unclear, it can lead to government regulation, lower property values, and less control for the owner. Ensuring these rights are clear and secure supports the core conservative principles of property ownership and limited government.